Hello friends, I welcome you on another new topic in the GIPL technical series. I am Priya Desai and I am working with GIPL as a software engineer. In this session, we will learn about very useful topic of SQL Server, that is a merge statement. Here we will understand about what is the merge statement, how to create merge statement with some examples. So stay connected until the end of this video to understand merge statement clearly. Before we start with the topic, I would like to give some information about GIPL. GIPL is a government organization which provides IT and IT-enabled services to different government organizations. We provide informative videos about government software and latest technology tutorials. So please do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates and informative videos. So let's move to the topic now. Now, what is merge statement? Merge statement is introduced in SQL Server 2008, allow us to perform insert, updates and deletes in one statement. This means we no longer have to use multiple statements for performing insert, updates and delete. We require two tables, a source table and a target table. Source table is the table that contains the changes that needs to be applied to the target table. And target table is the table that required changes. It is a table upon which we have to perform insert, update and deletes. The merge statement joins the target table to the source table by using a common column in both the tables. Based on how the rows are, we will match up as a result of the join. We can then perform insert, update and delete on the target table. Let's look at the example now for better understanding. Here we have got employee source and employee target tables. Employee target table is the table on which we will perform insert, update and deletes in all one statement. We will be using the ID column in both the tables to join them. Now, when the rows match between the tables, we want to perform an update on the target table. If you look at the data we have in both the tables, we have records with ID 1. So those rows match. We want to perform update. So Kavya J will be updated by Kavya. When rows do not match, means the rows are present in the source table but not in the target table, then we want to insert all such rows into the target table. In this, Sarah record is present only in the source table and not in the target table. So we want to insert this record into the target table. And finally, when rows are present only in the target table but not in the source table, then we want to delete all such rows from the target table. At the moment, within the target table, we have this sweetie record with ID 3, which is not present in the source table. So, we want to delete it from the target table. So, after we execute the merge statement, we will got this output. Kavya J record updated with Kavya record. Sarah record, which is present only in the source table, is inserted into the target table. Sweetie record, which is present only in the target table, is got deleted from the target table. And here is the syntax to perform this. So merge specify the target table. So here I specify target table as employee target table and we will give it an alias as T. And then using the source table, in our case source table is employee source and we give it an alias is S. On and we specify the join condition and how we will joining these two tables using an ID columns in both the tables. Here we are using aliases t.id is equal to s.id. When match, so when the rows match based on that condition, then we want to perform an update on the target table. So we are saying update set t dot name, so name column with the target table, and s dot name column from the source table. So when the rows match, perform an update. When not matched by target means when the rows are present in the source table but not in the target table, then we want to do an insert. So here we have an insert statement. Insert, we specify the column names, ID, name, and the value for this are going to come from source table s.id, s.name. Now by target is the default, so you may or may not be specify that here. Okay. When not matched by source, this means when the rows are present in the target table but not in the source table, then we perform delete. In these two tables we have ID columns. So let's look at this in action. Let's open SQL Server Management Studio. So I have already created these two tables, employee target and employee source. If you look at the data, it is the target table and this is a source table. And here I have already written merge statement to save some time in writing that I have just explained in the slide. After we execute this merge statement, we want the data in the target table to be same as the data of the source table. Let's execute this merge statement. F5. Now let's look at the target and the source tables data. Let's execute the select queries. Now look at this. Target table is updated. So Kavya record is updated, Sarah record is inserted, and Sweetie record, which is presented in the target table, is deleted. So insert, update and delete all are performed in a single merge statement. And one important thing needs to be remembered is that merge statement should end with the semicolon. If you will do not use this semicolon, let's remove this and execute. You will get an error. A merge statement must be terminated by a semicolon. So the semicolon is required and compulsory in the merge statement. Alright, in real time we mostly perform insert and update. We don't really delete the data that is present only in the target table but not in a source table. Usually the source table provides us the new records that are added and any records that means to be updated. Okay. Now here there are two tables, target table and source table. Let's see first the data. Okay. Now let's execute this merge statement. Here we only remove the delete statement because we only want to perform update and inserts. So F5. Now again view the output. F5. Okay. So Kavya J will be updated to Kavya. Sarah record which is only present in source and not in the destination table will be inserted into the target, and Sweetie records which is only present in the source table is untouched, means it's not be deleted. It is as a text. Okay? So today we have learned how to use SQL Server merge statement for insert, updates and delete with examples. So that's it for today. Thank you for listening. Hope this information is helpful to you. For any IT and IT enabled services, you can contact GIPL. Details are shown on the screen. If you like our video, please hit the like button and share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe and take very good care of yourself. Have a great day. Thank you.